Welcome to Disney's Boardwalk Resort, a charming getaway nestled just steps away from the magic of Epcot. Let's tour a standard room together. As we enter, you'll notice the room's warm and welcoming atmosphere. The soft color palette with its warm seaside charm creates the perfect environment to unwind after a magical day at the parks. We love the spacious layout that's perfect for families. To your left, you'll find comfortable queen-size beds with plush pillows, ensuring a restful night's sleep. I love the room's little touches of Disney characters. Check out these framed prints of Minnie, Mickey, and Pluto, adding to the room's coastal charm. Even though this standard room didn't come with a veranda or patio to walk out on, there is plenty of light in the room. Check out this view of Disney's Boardwalk, and we did not face the fireworks, but we enjoyed some people watching from our room and seeing the boats. Let's check out the right side of the room. You'll notice a cozy sitting area where you can relax with a cup of coffee or plan tomorrow's adventures. That couch is a pull-out couch. Plus, there's modern amenities of a flat-screen TV, mini fridge, and a coffee maker right in your room. I love the extra storage when you're staying as a family. Ample storage space so you can really spread out without leaving out your luggage. Our family always uses that extra blanket and pillow provided in the closet. Plus, you'll find a safe for your personal belongings. Let's take a look quickly at the bathroom, which features a large vanity and plenty of counter space. It's tiled shower, stocked with deluxe Disney H2O toiletries, which will make you feel pampered every morning before the parks. I really appreciate when the toilet and shower area are separate from the vanity so we can all get ready at the same time instead of taking turns. And don't forget, when you're staying at the Boardwalk, it's just steps away from Epcot, which I love staying here if you're traveling for one of the festivals like Food and Wine Festival or Festival of the Arts, Flower and Garden, you name it. Subscribe for more family travel videos and easy recipes.